Hello guys, I'm back. Um, I would like to talk about the Pixel 4a. Usually we do upload videos, tech YouTubers in general, about new devices and how great they are and everything. And I really like Google Pixel in general. Um, but we tend to forget that people have issues with their phones later on, and nothing is reported, nothing is talked about. Um, I got this Pixel 4a from Google about a year ago. I would say probably 2 years. This year is gonna be 2 years, and it was working well. It's actually a very good smartphone, and I really like the way it is. It can do so many things. The camera is incredible. It's a very small format. It's not like the Neo Pixels, which are very big. This one is very good. However, last summer it had an issue, and the issue was simply that the screen was not responsive. So I decided to reset the smartphone, but it did not work. I tried contacting Google. They told me to go to an authorized repair. By the way, I'm trying to remove this case. It was in this case when that happened. So it was very well protected. Nothing really happened to it. So Google told me to go to an authorized repair, which was iSmash in the UK. I went to iSmash. They tried to change the screen, but it still did not work. So they later told me that it was not a hardware issue, that it was a software issue, because the motherboard was totally okay, and they found out that there was no water damage whatsoever, so everything was fine inside the phone, but the screen was still unresponsive. So I contacted Google again about it. I even suggested, since it was out of warranty, that I would pay for the repair, but they did not want to take the phone to repair it. Um, as I said, I really love Pixel phones, but this is something people should be aware of. And I went online and realized that some people are also complaining about it on Reddit, and I think in the Pixel community as well, but it was mostly on Reddit that I found it. Some of them got their whole phones replaced, so there was no actual fix. So apparently this is an issue that Google doesn't know how to fix, maybe, or doesn't want to fix. I don't know. But it's something that people should be aware of. And I really wanted to make you aware of this issue. If you're having that same issue with the Pixel 4a and your screen is not responding, then do know that you're not the only one. A lot of us have the same issue. You're not the only one. But it's really sad that Google cannot do anything about it. And I really wanted to talk about this. I could have recommended the Pixel 4a in the past, but right now I cannot recommend the Pixel 4a or even the Pixel 6 that I'm currently using. Obviously, it does not have any issue. It's been perfect. I don't have all the bugs people are talking about. However, I don't know if I can recommend it, because if I'm gonna have another issue like this one after a year, just have an unresponsive screen, I don't know. I have to put the USB OTG that I then connect to this mouse. The fingerprint is still working, and that's how I navigate it. It's really sad that I have to do all that. I can't do anything else. It's really sad. I can't do anything else on it. It's not working. So yeah, Google, if you ever see this video, or anyone at Google, just know that we have issues with the Pixel 4a and no one wants to fix it. That's not fair to me and everyone else having the same issue. Thank you for watching.